People are starting to arrive already, so we're expecting a good turnout. We'll typically have over 2,000 people attend the auction. We've been working for the last number of months on building towards today. We have 127 properties being offered, and we expect a lot of interest in them. They attract a broad variety of buyer types. We've got investors, owner-occupiers, young people trading up, older people trading down. It's abroad. We've got a lot of overseas investors. We've got a lot of overseas Irish living abroad, expats that will be bidding on the telephone today. And the properties are being sold on behalf of a broad mix of sellers too. We've got private individuals, but half the catalogue are private individuals, and we've got a number of receivership sales as well. So it's a broad cross-section of the market all happening in the one day.
We've been doing this for 2 years now, so it's become part of the establishment and part of the landscape, and so we're offering more properties today than we've ever offered, and the interest level is probably double what it's ever been. We've people outside offering their services to people who buy, so it's becoming almost normal, but there's a whole lot of work has gone into this. We employ a lot of people, and we employ a lot of part-time people, and there's 15 people from the UK have flown over today, so it's a huge amount of work has gone into it. So, but it all looks fairly positive, and ultimately our job is to get the best price in a transparent manner. We've had in the past people who have had things to say, and people are entitled to say things. I mean, we go a long way to ensure that we're not selling people's homes, people's repossessed homes. We do everything we can to ensure we're not offering those people's properties. But there are sad stories behind property that is distressed. But the good news for us is this is not just distressed property. Our two largest lots we're selling for individual private owners. So I would say 50% of the properties are distressed properties, as you might describe it, and 50% are for individuals who believe this is the best way to get the best price.
If you're bidding today, please do listen very carefully so that you understand the ground rules for today's auction.
Well, hopefully we're going to see a very high proportion of the lots that we're offering sold after really competitive bidding. We're expecting up to 2,000 people here today throughout the day, coming and going, as we have had for the last few sales that we've held. It's always been really busy. There's a real appetite from Irish and overseas buyers here for property, and we expect to see very competitive bidding today. I would say that the proportion of sellers who have put lots in this catalogue are weighted more heavily towards the banks today.
60, 65?
Probably about 40% of the lots today are commercial properties. The remainder are residential properties. So a real mix for everybody, I think.
72, 73, 74?
We are expecting owner-occupiers to come to buy.
74, 75, 75, 76.
I think it's a great way of actually reintroducing stock to the market for the benefit of owner-occupier buyers and for investors at what we think are really affordable prices. As you know, we're quoting maximum reserve prices, which means that we disclose the price above which you can definitely buy the lot. The actual reserve might be lower than the maximum reserve, so you might actually have a chance of buying the property for less than the price that we published in the catalogue. So it's quite exciting.
It's going here at 280,000. You're sober the beard, sold at 280. Well done.